Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sumita Manna. I am from Nandigram of Purva Medinipur district. We have four members in our family: my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, me, and my husband. I pass out Madhyamik examination from Sonachola K.C. Milan Vidyamandir in 2015. I qualified a higher secondary examination from Gokulnagar Govindaji Shiksha Niketan in 2017. I now still I am a student. Recently I admitted PhD degree in Vidyasagar University. Now I am sharing about my topic is demand. Yeah. Now, what is demand? Demand is not only that willingness to purchase of a commodity. If you have ability to pay for buying a commodity, then we told that it's demand. Means you have to willingness to purchase of a commodity with ability to pay principal, then we called its demand. Now, what is the law of demand? Law of demand states that if other things remaining same, if price of a commodity increases, demand of that commodity will be decreases, and vice versa. And now, what is the factors affecting demand? Uh, Sorry, now I am sharing about the example of law of demand. Suppose price of potato now is 1 kg is 20 rupees, then 20 rupees per kg. Then if price of potato is increases tomorrow is 40 rupees per kg, 20 to 40 rupees, then demand of that commodity will be decreases tomorrow. So মানে এটাই হচ্ছে ল অফ ডিমান্ড, যে প্রাইস যখন ইনক্রিজ হবে, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য ল অফ ডিমান্ড, দ্যাট প্রাইস হোয়েন প্রাইস উইল ইনক্রিজেস, দেন demand of that commodity will decreases and vice versa. Now I am sharing about the factors affecting demand. Means those factors which are মানে যার চেঞ্জেস, মানে অ্যাকর্ডিং টু চেঞ্জিং this factor, demand also changes. Like for example, price of a commodity. If price of a commodity increases, demand of that commodity will decreases, and opposite will happens. And income of a consumer. Suppose income of a consumer will increases, then demand of a commodity will increases, and vice versa. And for related good, means for substitute good, like substitute good means one commodity for another, means tea and coffee. For example, tea and coffee. Suppose price of tea is increases, then everyone consume coffee instead of tea, because price of coffee will decreases. So it is the substitute goods. And for complementary goods, means those two goods which are consumed মানে একই সঙ্গে together. For example, car and petrol. When price of petrol increases, demand of car also decreases, because its relation is positive. Means price price of petrol increases, পজিটিভ না নেগেটিভ হবে, মানে এটা যখন ইনক্রিজ হচ্ছে, প্রাইস অফ পেট্রোল যখন বাড়ছে, তখন কারের ডিমান্ডটা কমে যাচ্ছে। আর যখন হোয়েন প্রাইস অফ পেট্রোল ডিক্রিজেস, দেন পারচেজিং মানে কেনা ইচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ, ডিমান্ড অফ পারচেজিং কার উইল ইনক্রিজেস। So and it's all about affecting demand. And now I am sharing about exception of law of demand. I mean মানে ল অফ ডিমান্ডকে যে ফ্যাক্টর গুলো ভাঙছে আর কি, মানে সেটা খাটছে না সেটা, how it's a effect. Exception law of demand is like inferior goods. Suppose a consumer income is increases, then when we eat potato maximum of the time, then suppose my income is suddenly increases, then I think that it's the potato is inferior goods, means মানে নিকৃষ্ট দ্রব্য যেটা বলে আর কি, then consumption of potato will decreases, and then instead of potato I brought chicken, eggs, etc. I mean high price commodity, I, yes, yes, superior product. And in that case, when price of my income increases, uh, price of that commodity increases, also my consumption also increases. In that case, the law of demand is not affecting. uh, and আর কি, একটু ভাবতে টাইম নেই সেক্ষেত্রে। The accept expectation of a consumer, suppose uh, now I see that onion price is so high, 60 rupees per kg, then I thought that in future the price of onion also be high, will be increased. In that case, price of onion is so high, although I tobu in, yet I purchase onion, because my expectation, because of my expectation, it's also in that case also law of demand is not affected. Because law of demand says that when price increases, demand of that commodity decreases. In that case is not happening. So it's a one factor, it's another factor. Another is in sharing market also, when স্যার আর কিছু বলতে হবে না, ওটাই ঠিক আছে। That's all about my topic. Thank you.